Hi, how are you? Do you have a dream to do a job in a good company? But you don't have much skills to prove yourself. If you don't know how to code, then there is no job for you. Most of the companies require skilled or trained person. But don't worry, Mr. Tutor is here. It's offering advanced level WordPress development courses at very low prices. Let me explain how it works. Visit mr.tutor.pk and select your desired package. All classes will be held online, and after the end of the class, you will receive a recording of your lecture. If you forgot something, you have the option to play the recorded lectures. In this course, you can learn how to develop any site, like online shopping, blogging, commerce website, business, entertainment, portfolio website, media, and many more. Not only that, you will also learn WordPress theme development, plugin development, working on payment gateways, and much more. Everything you will learn is an advanced level. Just sit and open mr.tutor.pk. Yeah, finally he earned some money from their job. Thanks to mr.tutor.pk. So, what are you waiting for? Only limited seats are available. Visit mr.tutor.pk and enroll yourself now.